Hello guys, today's video is a VEVOR unboxing. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY, and if you're new, welcome. Now, today's video is a VEVOR unboxing. And you guys, my package from VEVOR did come in just like this. And this is that VEVOR shoe cabinet with the two flip drawers. I'm going to pull all of the pieces out, you guys, and let you see the pieces, because you do have to fully assemble this piece. I'm also going to put VEVOR's information along with the item link and the code down in the description box. VEVOR also sells on Amazon as well, so you guys make sure you do check them out. I have worked with VEVOR many times, you guys, and I'm telling you, I do love their product. So here's that instructions, and you're going to just see me start to separate the pieces. You know, most of the time your girl don't read the instructions, but I had to have the instructions before starting this. So you're going to see those instructions staying very handy, you guys. So I did look at all of my pieces, which is what I typically do. I separate my pieces according to the steps of the instructions as well. So, but let me tell you a little bit about this shoe cabinet. Once again, this is that VEVOR shoe cabinet with the two flip drawers, the shoe storage cabinet, and I originally put it in my entryway. If you've been watching my videos, you see it is placed somewhere different during this Christmas holiday season. This is also a freestanding shoe storage organizer with the top shelf storage caddy for heels, boots, and slippers. You can use it in your hallway, your living room, your bedroom, or entryway, your garage, your porch. You guys, this thing can actually be stored anywhere. And as you see, I am just going through the assembly process. This was the two drawer. They do come in 3 drawers as well. They have 2 different lengths. And this one here is at 29 by 37 inch. It also, it's the 20 by 28 inch. It does come in 29 by 37 inch as well. So do make sure you do check them out. Now this smart shoe storage solution, you guys, I just can't talk today. Utilize an innovative space-saving design. The shoe cabinet allows you effortlessly access to your shoes and neatly conceals them when not in use, keeping your entryway neat and tidy. If you're like me, you like your space to look tidy mostly just about all the time, even though we have real life going on, but it is a go-to thing. I'll tell you how I do utilize mine. I keep slippers and socks installed in mine, so when I have company come over, my home is a shoe-free home for all guests that comes in my house. So I keep slippers and socks, and there's new slippers and socks in that caddy. The socks are on the top, and with the slippers for your females, and your socks and slippers for males is in the bottom. But that's how I store mine. But it has ample storage space. With these 2 flip drawers, they have maximized your storage space. Compared to a similar size shoe cabinet, they accommodate more shoes of various styles, including high heels and short boots. You heard me right. You can literally put some heels in this caddy, and it works wonders because of how it is constructed. It is very high quality and durable. Crafted from premium materials, the shoe cabinet and drawer features thickened side and back panels of 15 millimeters to 0.59 inches, significantly enhancing the stability and the durability of the shoe cabinet. It can effortlessly withstand the weight of multiple pairs of shoes. Once again, it is very easy to assemble, but you have to make sure you have the right pieces, and I will tell you all of the pieces were labeled. Now you guys, the total construction time for me to put this whole entire shoe caddy together, and that's with me constantly going to the instructions to make sure I was doing everything right, you guys, was about 42 minutes, which I think was phenomenal for myself, because I was like, oh, we're not gonna make it. And reason it was 42 minutes, I did put two of my pieces together from backwards, which that took up a little time. But overall, you should be able to assemble this shoe caddy within probably a good 30 minutes. But it's very easy to assemble, and it's designed for straightforward assembly, complete with detailed instructions and illustrations to make the process hassle-free. The anti-topping feature ensures added stability and safety, providing you with a reliable shoe organization solution. And once again, this is a product of VEVOR. You know, VEVOR does do tough equipment and tools, and their slogan is tough equipment and tools, pay less, which means they give you high quality products at a very affordable price. So do make sure you check them out. This is also an elegant solution for space with the flip open doors, the anti-tip design, the high quality material, and the sleek and the versatile look. Once again, you can put your sports shoes in here, your flats, your high heels, your slippers, and even your ankle boots. With the combination of those flip drawers, you got the top storage caddy with those two flip doors, with the bottom storage caddy as well. This meets so much functionality. It elevates any aesthetic of your home, you guys. And I'm telling you, so as you see here, I'm just taking those little papers, all where the nuts and bolts went in. They had this little paper that looks like the wood, that once you cover the hole, you did not see where the screws went in. Once again, you guys, this was so simple to put together. And now the cabinet legs are made with rubber wood and foot pads. It does have a weight load capacity of 150 pounds. The product itself weighs maybe about, I want to say about 35.5 pounds, but it is very versatile. You see, we are finishing the final construction of the shoe caddy. Once again, make sure you do check out that link in the description. Also, make sure you go over and check out VEVOR's website, because they offer a vast array of items for your home. They do home automotive. You guys, they do a little bit of items for everything. Make sure you do check them out. And we are just coming to the final run of putting this shoe cabinet together. Now you guys, this shoe caddy would be a great Christmas gift, birthday gift, for family members and friends. This would be a great gift. It would also be a great gift for yourself. If you are in the home decor world like I am, and you like your space aesthetically beautiful to you, I'm telling you, this brings a lot of organization in your space without having things sitting, especially, and I mean especially if you are a shoe-free home, or if you have carpet that you don't like people to track all up. You would love this. And as you can see here, I'm just getting ready to install the legs, and I was just looking at the legs to make sure that we did put them on correctly, because you're gonna see that on one of the legs I just could not get it to look right to my eyes. But it was actually right, it just didn't look right to me. So, but we did get those legs put on. Now you guys, I have been using this shoe caddy for several months now, and I'm telling you, this is one item that I truly love. I would recommend, for me, this is what I would recommend, that in your home, every entryway that you use coming in and out of your home, and especially areas that you let guests use, because I have a side door and a back door. Sometimes I'll use the side, but if you have guests everywhere that you have guests or you're coming in and out of your home, I would recommend placing one of these shoe caddies in that location. Now, like I say, if you've been watching my channel, my home decor channel that is, you'll see that it is actually right now placed in my kitchen for the Christmas season. I will tell you guys, you're gonna see it once you see the home tour. I actually did go back and order 2 of these in white for a specific purpose, so that because they are so sleek and stylish, you guys, these things do not take up much space at all. I'm telling you, I am loving these shoe caddies. But I did order 2 and I placed them, and you will get to see that on that Her Home Is Christmas home tour. So make sure you do check out that channel as well. Once again, make sure you are checking out VEVOR, so you can see what type of magnificent items you can score for your home, that is. And even if you're looking for items that is not home related, they got you covered as well. I'm just putting those final wood caps in there so I can seal the top of the cabinet to this whole base. And I will tell you guys, this is the one part of this project that I did need assistance. You know, your girl eyes is not as keen as they used to be, so that took me a little minute, but this is the finished look. And once again, this shoe caddy is so sleek and so beautiful. This is what it looks like with that door open, that top and that bottom. And you see that, you guys? I'm telling you, so simple. Now you guys, if you put things together quite often, you probably can get this thing put together in about a 15-20 minutes. But this is here where I had it sitting by my door, and like I say, I love it. You guys, make sure you do check out VEVOR and check out their site on Amazon as well. Now make sure you do follow all of our channels. That is Her Home Is, GlamQueenofDIY, Her Table Skates, Molux Vlogs, and Her Home Short. We'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.